Hey, how are you? How to edit or update your Outlook signature. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how you can add your add signature, new signature, how you can edit your existing signature in Outlook. Okay. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first, come to your Outlook, and when you try to create or compose the new mail, so this is signature by default here. Okay, you can change it. So how you can change it? So just go to the file here and go to the option. This then sorry. Okay, so these options will be open this window. Now go to the mail option here. Under the mail, you can see the create or modify the signature for your message. Just click on signature tab. Now you can see I have already signature here. I need to just click on my signature name, and the content will become here. Now I can edit it. Okay, so it will be edit. Now you can I just click on OK if you edit done. So if you want to add new signature, just click on new. Yes, you want to save it first signature, then click the new, then share 2, then the second signature will become, this is my first signature, this is my second signature. Now I can add something on my second signature. Okay, so that's all done. Now just I need to just copy. Okay, then signature will be saved. Now just click OK again. Now if I want to insert my signature here, this is my first signature. I can also insert my second signature because I have two signatures there. So I can change my signature. I have to click here and use the second signature, then second signature will be appear here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.